Millions of people around the world feed birds right outside their homes, but most bird feeders are set up incorrectly. Today, I'm going to build a bird feeder based on recommendations from National Geographic. I decided to build my own version using plywood and laser cutting. The design includes a base, side walls to keep the seeds inside, a removable tray for easy cleaning, a roof to protect the food from rain, and a hanging system with hooks for mounting it on a tree. I also added decorative engraving to give it a more finished look. I designed the construction so that all parts fit together easily with minimal glue and no complex joints. After engraving, I sanded the panels to remove burn marks from the laser. Then I applied oil to protect the wood from moisture and give the feeder a clean, finished look. For extra strength, I glued some parts like the tray frame and the hook using 2 layers of plywood. Now, it's time to assemble. First, I attach the side walls to the base. Then I install the supports for the tray. Next come the upper panels, followed by the roof. Everything is secured using small locking pins. Finally, I insert the removable tray, which also has drainage holes to let water escape. The whole assembly takes just a few minutes. But building the feeder is only half the job. Experts recommend placing it near bushes or trees. Birds use them as shelter from predators. It's also important not to place feeders too close to windows to avoid collisions. For convenience, I also designed the hook system to allow adjusting the rope length, making it easier to hang the feeder at different heights. To actually attract birds, choosing the right food is essential. According to experts, black oil sunflower seeds are the most versatile option. They're loved by many species, including tits, sparrows, and even woodpeckers. It's important to note that roasted or salted seeds are not suitable, as they can harm birds. Let's fill the feeder. And now comes the most interesting part, seeing who shows up first. And here are the first visitors. The first to test the feeder was a rather confident pigeon, and it worked perfectly. One more thing that's often overlooked. Bird feeders need to be cleaned regularly. This helps prevent the spread of diseases among birds. That's why I included a removable tray in the design. A simple structure, a handful of seeds, and your backyard can turn into a small bird-watching station. And honestly, it's much more interesting to watch them than I expected. If you'd like to build your own feeder, the laser-cut files are available in my shop. Link in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe.